Hey guys, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and we're here at the IMM show. We're at the Aerocool booth. Basically they've got it split up into Aerocool over here, Thunder X3 over here. We have got another video that goes through the whole range of the Thunder X3 stuff, so I won't really comment too much on that. But what we've got over here, starting with kind of, I guess, the gaming living room kind of furniture. So a variety of different seats, ranging from kind of the big daddy chairs here and here. We've also got the smaller chair here. Now looking at the smaller chair, Dean from Aerocool is actually going to demonstrate the storage. So it does come with a little cushion as well. And then there's some little tabs. Pull them out and basically you have a lot of storage. So this could be perfect for putting controllers, gaming peripherals, all that kind of stuff, ready to sort of play the latest games. All Project 7 branded, which as we know is Aerocool's kind of flagship sort of brand. So yeah, we have the small chair here, slightly bigger chairs here. I mean, I say slightly bigger, they're absolutely massive. And then we have this kind of beanbag with kind of a star shape in the middle, but really, really comfortable, really good quality, really good stitching on there. It's actually nice to really sort of see these, in the wild, as it were, to sort of see, what the quality is actually about. Really nice colouring on them, really, really like the blue. This, as I say, is going to be perfect in kind of a living room environment, so you can have, your TV up on the wall, you might be playing games on it, you might be watching TV, but it should fit in really, really nicely. Another thing that they've got is their range of chairs. So they've got basically chairs to cater for every single market. Different colour schemes, different styles, sort of ranging, from your lower end ones in the blue and black, red and black. I actually really like just the sort of plain black. I think that would go with kind of any room setup, ranging all the way across, and we have loads of different designs here. Once again, if you saw the Thunder X3 video, you'll see that they have kind of a big daddy chair, as it were. So this is the Project 7 branded one. It is a lot bigger and a lot wider than most chairs on the market, but it's going to be perfect for those who are maybe a little bit taller or a little bit wider, if you know what I'm saying. The good thing with these chairs is they do go back extremely far, so you can lay down in them. Another thing that you may have noticed is this desk. So this is a very, very early prototype. It's not finished. There is going to be like a mouse surface on here. And again, they're just getting feedback from people. So what you actually see is through this glass that is slightly smoked. This is exactly where your system's going to go. And Dean from Aerocool is just going to demonstrate what the other side looks like. So you can see sort of more room for system components. They are looking to obviously add in more ventilation over here and around the back. There's a little bit of ventilation on this side, as you can see there, and also another glass panel here. Again, this is very, very early prototype, but they just wanted to sort of show off, the type of ideas that they've got and where they're heading. Other than that, there's one more area that we're going to look at in the next video, which is right over here. And this is all the crazy RGB stuff. So stay tuned for another video of the Aerocool booth at IMM.